Hi everyone, my name is Julie Baxa and I'm a professional learning specialist with GrapeSEED. I'm here with my friend Marvin Monkey today to share a fun summer idea that you might do with your children at home. You could do it indoors if it's too hot to be outside, or you could do it outdoors if you think it might be too messy to do inside. What we're going to make today are bubbling pictures with baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring. Things that you probably already have around your house right now. I'm going to put Marvin down over here so I can show you the supplies you need. You'll need vinegar. I used white vinegar and also some baking soda. You'll need some different colors of food coloring. I used gel food coloring because the colors come out a little bit stronger and more vibrant. You'll need some bowls to pour your vinegar into, and if you have them, some little eyedroppers would be great to make your pictures, but if you don't have them, spoons will work out perfectly. And then also you'll want some plates or bowls to pour your baking soda into and to hold your picture. So first you'll want to mix your food coloring into your vinegar. I've already done that today and stirred it up with my spoons. I have red vinegar and yellow vinegar and green vinegar all prepared. And I've poured some of my baking soda into my bowl so that I can make my picture. I'm going to go ahead and use my eyedropper to drop some of the food coloring into my bowl. And when I do, it makes a chemical reaction. So you might even be able to hear the fizz of the vinegar in the baking soda. I'm using my eyedropper, which again for young children is a great way to build fine motor skills. Okay, so now you can see the sun that I'm making. I'm just going to finish up the last little ray of sunshine over here on the side. If you if your child is of an age where they're interested in why that happens, you can look that up on the internet to find out why that chemical reaction happens. If you have a very young child, just making the picture will be fun just in and of itself. I've also made a watermelon as another example. We hope that you have a wonderful time together making your bubbling pictures with baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring. Marvin and I would like to say thank you very much for watching our video on how to make bubbling pictures, and we hope that you have a very sunny summer.